go, baby. Start fast. Let's put a stamp on this game. Let's go. Start fast.
Let's go now. You fire the first shot. Let's go, man.
And a handoff to Elliott, and he stutter steps to the right side with room to run.
A block at midfield. Gurley takes off.
I wish I was that fast.
You gotta go faster, faster.
Throws it down the field. Pass on a dead run, and that is Juju loose.
Go! Score! And Jared Goff has thrown his big touchdown pass of the night.
Russell has time. Fire. Touchdown!
Hey, let's go fast, baby. Stay in attack mode, all right? Stay in attack mode. Check out. Done. Cars. Watch out. Got it.
Prescott keeps around the left side. Touchdown, Cowboys.
My God.
Second down and 10, takes the snap, gives it, jump runs, he's to the 10, 15, he's to the 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, there goes Chubb, Shabba-lubba hub, 92 yards!
Hey, you see that handoff? Hey, you see my handoff? You see my handoff? That's the longest run in franchise history? Wow.
Go, Thomas.
Bro, you see my handoff on that play? Hey, I was a part of that. Yeah, I was.
Listen, Sonny, your grandpappy.
Back in 2018, Grandpappy handed off an outside zone to the right, and it went for 92 yards.
Without me, that play doesn't go. Jam. Yeah.
Don't do that. No jam off.
Hey, guys, what's up? Y'all go double team me? That's up. I ain't did none of y'all. You can't run in there like that. Hey, you thought you was gonna get me, huh? Hell no. I like that. Oh, I like that. I like it. I like it, bro. Hey, 75. I need some more of that. Come on.
Number 10, Kenny Stills.